Alright, so yesterday I was looking into selling my Fire Emblem Heroes account. It's a game I played for a very long time, on and off. There was like a period where I just didn't play it for a good like year or two. And then the last time I played it before this year, there was like a 6 months a 6 month break because I was in Japan for most of it and I didn't play it, but I've been playing it again recently, and I feel like it's somewhat overtaking my headspace and time. I probably sunk in at least 1,000 hours on this game, probably more, honestly. If you just do like about an hour average for about 2 years, that's obviously, if you do that daily, that's 365 hours in the year. And if I played this game for more than 3 years, it's around 1,000 or plus. But here I am. You can hear it. Let's just take a look at the stuff one last time, because it's time to fully delete it, essentially. I spent a lot of time on it, and part of me never even considered this like an option, to be honest, because you grow attached to the thing you spend a lot of time with, and you just grow attached to it, and you want to keep building on it and keep playing, essentially, because it's like collecting stuff. But when it comes time to let go and comes time to just move on with your life, this is sort of just there as a distraction, in my opinion. It's basically just there to take up more of my time, and it's about time that I let go. It was honestly a good run. It was fun for the most part, but yeah, it's quite interesting, when I'm engaged in it and when I do it. Yeah, it feels bad that I wasted so much time, but I think at the end of the day, like, it brought some joy in my life, so I can't be fully hating on it. All I know is that I really need to move forward, and this is something that's in the way of that. So, how do I even do this? Let's see. Account management? Right here. Which one is it? Delete all data or delete account? Deleting your Nintendo account will delete all of your data. Data included, you will no longer be able to access your Fire Emblem Heroes data on any device. I don't think it's deleting my account. That doesn't make any sense. It should be delete all data. If you delete your data, all saved data for Fire Emblem Heroes, including any orbs you may have, will be permanently erased. This also means that the Fire Emblem Heroes save data linked to your Nintendo account will be deleted. You will no longer be able to access this data on any device. So let's do this. Delete all data. All information from this app, including your orbs, items, friends list, game data, gameplay data, will be lost. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. Alright. It is done. Fully deleted. Alright. That's something that I should have done a long time ago, to be honest. I was considering like selling it or giving it away somehow, but it seems that it's just fully linked with my Nintendo account, which I'm currently using. And I'm sure there's a way to, like just disconnect all my Nintendo stuff. I don't even have a Nintendo Switch. The only reason I have an online subscription is so I can play with my girlfriend who's in Japan, and like because she really likes playing games together and stuff. But honestly, I wouldn't even have it if it weren't for that. So I could have found a way, to switch stuff around and end up selling it and all that stuff, but that would have just prolonged it. So why not just do the thing that I know is the fastest that will get me to where I want to be, which is just erase the game, get it out of my head. Like now it's just no more. Like I will never play this game again, and I will never play any. Like I will vow right here and right now to never play any gacha game ever again in my life, because it was a huge time sink. It was fun, yes. Like there was some thrill to it, but at the end of the day, like it wasn't worth it. Basically, the stuff, the thrill, the excitement, the fun part of it, I could get that in a lot of other things, like hanging out with friends and playing games with them too, stuff like that. So it's really not worth continuing or ever playing a game like that again. Yeah, it only took. Well, again, I took a lot of big breaks in between. Like I quit the game many times, stopped playing it for. I think if I were to highlight all my history, it was like 2017 to about 2019. Quit the game for about a year, maybe a year and a half, and then I played it again a little bit. Quit the game again for maybe 4 or so months. Played it again, like on and off for maybe a good 6 or so months. I can't remember all the details, but basically that was sort of like the pattern, just a lot of like on and offs, but I'd rather not have it take any time at all. Like I'd rather not have it be an option in my head. And this is the best way of doing it, period. So I think that's just something that I'm realizing about, just bad habits in general and addictions in general. Like this is definitely it was the last game basically that I was somewhat addicted to. I used to play games like all the time. So it's good to just fully actually finish it off and know that I'm never engaging in it again, because there's no point in starting from zero for a gacha game when you spent that much time on it in the beginning. It just doesn't make sense. So that's the breakthrough. This is a decision that I think will definitely help. Well, it will for sure save me a lot of time and headspace moving forward. Who knows how many, I can guess, like if I had continued, maybe I would have sunk another 1,000 hours into that, but now I can spend that 1,000 hours on something else that's more worth it. And that is, yeah, that's something I just did, and I feel good about it. I don't really regret a single thing. It doesn't feel painful. Like I'm finally moving forward. I decided this yesterday, and I'm just taking action now. It was fun. It was good. It was a waste of time as well. But now I'm moving forward. Let's get it.